Okay, we are online now. So here. Hi. Hi, this is me, Amal from Women Hair Design in Spain. I have here with me Janice from
England.
Hi, everybody. Now we're going to show you how to color the hair, the root color. As you see, she has lovely, nice hair, but she has too much roots. So I'm going to color it and lovely, nice, long hair. So before coloring, we could just to protect our hands. So I'm going to start coloring here. Just nice, easy and simple hair color. Beautiful, lovely.
You were quick last time.
We are very quick.
Yeah. Nice and quick. It's lovely.
Nice and quick after all these years working in hair design.
How long?
25 years.
Long time. Lots of experience. Meet lots of people, don't you, as well?
Very nice. Meeting people is nice, so it's beautiful.
Yes. And you send everybody out lovely.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, I do my best for everybody making lovely, nice. See, very nice. Beautiful day today.
Gorgeous day today.
Yes.
Had lovely weather because we've been here since December, beginning of December.
Yeah.
And it's been beautiful.
It's Spain, it's beautiful country, the best country in the world.
Yes, you said last time I came.
Yes, it's so beautiful. So now we color here, and there's nice, lovely blonde color, very soft for her face. When she has lovely, nice blonde hair, it suits her face more. She can't have too dark or too orangey color. So we choose for natural blonde hair color. Very soft with her face, with her, and it suits her face. I'm going to go to a hairstyle. So the way we color the hair, just look in the tools. Beautiful. You can turn it like that, so everybody can look at you and say, hi, everybody there. We like to be famous. Me and Janet, yeah. Never too late. Whenever you are, it's never too late to be famous. Even if you are 80, 90, 100.
And early on, I'm 78.
Seriously, love? I'm 78. Oh my God, you look really nice for 78. Ladies, look at her. She looks very nice for 78. Yeah. Having a soft, lovely, nice color is really important. How darker you make the color, how older you be. So
Yes, you said that last time. And the hairdresser in Derby, no, Skegness, told me to go darker.
oh,
So she was wrong, wasn't she?
I don't know really. But what we choose here a lovely, nice color. Almost finished. Yeah, yes. Vivian. Yeah, so beautiful, very nice. Lovely. No, it's not a root color. So very nice color. Blonde hair color. And this is the way we color. So very easy, simple, and beautiful, nice, natural blonde hair color. So we're gonna make her very nice and very young for the hair.
Yes, like last time.
78, and we're gonna make her today 51.
Oh yes, please.
Okay. Nice and lovely. Beautiful. Yeah. When you have a lovely hairstyle and lovely color, you feel also very nice. You feel like actually 20, 30 years young. And that's
My
nice.
hair is the main thing on me.
Yes.
That's what I bother about more.
Yes. You need to make it beautiful, lovely.
But you told me off
seems
last.
like more, yeah.
You told me off last time because I washed it every day.
Yeah. When you wash it less, it's better.
Yes, you say.
Yeah.
So I was good today and I didn't wash it. So
Yeah.
there you go.
So how long do you live here in Spain?
We've been 3 months, but we're going back. We're going back home for a little while. My son-in-law's coming next.
Yeah.
I don't know how long he'll stay for.
It's really nice here to be relaxed,
Oh, yes.
enjoy life, working on the life hard, just have a nice days in Spain.
Yes,
This
it's
is the country to
lovely.
be. So for everybody in the world, come to Spain.
Yes.
It's very nice weather and there's everything here. You have everything what you're looking for.
You have. It's true.
As you see, we just finished the rooms coloring and we are ready to. This is the root coloring, we colored it and we finished it. Yes, so. Okay. Okay, as you see, we color just the roots and this is what we did with Janice. So we will see you later and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.